how to log in to CDKeys account. So if you want to log into your CDKeys account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for CDKeys. Once you've searched, you can go for the first search, which is www.cdkeys.com, and once it takes to the website, you can go for the upper right, which has that profile icon. Go for the profile, and here you will have login, right? So if you want to log into your account, then here you need to enter your email address on the first blank, and then you need to enter your password on the next blank. So make sure to enter the correct password. But if you forgot your password, then you can go for forgot your password, which is here, so that you can reset or recover your password. Or you can also log in with your Facebook, Google, or your PayPal. So I'll be choosing email, and then enter your password and click on login. And that's it. Once you click on login, it will log you into your account. So that's how you log into your CDKeys account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.